1, 2, 3. I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm gonna get it. Remember, we can't spit it out. Hold on.
Oh, I'm gonna get it.
I'm gonna find a big piece, dude.
Fuck.
Alright, here we go. Next, we got crispy anchovies. I'm getting you a good piece, fam.
What? Bro, the smell of that.
You have to put it all in your mouth.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Did you see that?
Darn! You gotta take it all at once. Ready?
I'll do it regardless if you do it or not.
If you put 2, you win. Here's a small one. Oh.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, so what happened?
Okay.
Just leave it.
Oh my god, yo. Okay, swallow time.
Will he swallow? Did you swallow a piece?
I'm chilling.
Swallow it.
Easy.
Oh, rotten egg.
I feel for you.
So now let's see their
This one is the one that you just had, so.
Yeah.
Coconut, so you get to eat it again.
Just cleared my mouth. Let's go round 2, buddy. Here we go.
Again? Did you get it?
I'm not. Okay. Ready, Charlie?
No.
Okay,
No.
3, 2,
Silence. You need
1,
silence?
Go.
No!
Oh my god, that smells so bad! Dirty sauce is beat.
Okay, go. Shove it in, bro. Ew. Okay, we're done. We lost. Here. Go. Ew. I'm done. We gotta retry.
Oh, that's a lot of vinegar. 1 fried.
Might work.
Does that bring you back? Next up, we are gonna do butter chicken.
Okay, that's a lot.
You gotta get a lot too.
No.
I don't think that's supposed to go inside your body.
Why is it so warm?
Is this not
No, you gotta count them. That's not 30. Spit the gum out.
fine? Alright.
Alright, so it is done in the microwave. Let's take it out. Bro, I'm gonna yak. I'm gonna do a big gulp for you guys. 3, 2, 1, go. You can't open my eyes. We're done. All right, we're gonna start with a little sip because I don't want to chug this all at once. I need to get a taste of what I'm about to put in my body. I'm not gonna lie. It's delicious. You should taste that. It actually doesn't taste even close to as sugary as you think it would. Trust me, it's really good. Please. Yes!
Oh, I'm
What is that? What is that?
And
What is that? And you, what is that? Nook man?
Nook mom.
Nick Mom? Why does it smell like dog food? Is that dog food?
It's fish sauce.
Okay, it smells like goldfish. Fish sauce, eh? Alright, Nick Mom! 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna swallow it. Oh! Oh! Oh!
You watch the Matt Stoney vids and the Joey Chestnut vids? They soak
They
the
dip
food.
it in the...
Let's
in
go!
the okay,
Dip
okay,
it
relax,
in!
relax.
Dip it! Go! Eat that, bro. I'm helping you. Bro, I'll take it.
Okay. I got it.
Oh, wait, was this just in your mouth?
Okay, go!
Go! Eat that! Hey, awesome job, man. Can I use your toilet?
Yeah, go ahead. This guy every video. Yeah,
Is there any left?
are you good?
Yeah.
Are you sure you're good?
What happened? I just washed my hands. Now we gotta tackle the bottom. I wanna see a good bite of
I'm gonna fucking jack. Oh my god, bro. I'm done.
Ew!
I got prime.
Hurry up! Yeah, come on. It's McDonald's. Boom! That's all you need. I bought way too much chocolate.
I was gonna do that. That's a lot of rating on it. Oh!
Yo, all I got is...
Just for you, because I'm your boy. What are you doing? Okay, you like...
Are you swallowing that?
I can't even plug my nose, it's so big.
Yo! Really? I love that mushy feeling of it.
You're missing this piece that... Oh!
That was in my mouth.
Okay, so you know you need them for the crust for your pizza.
And then just peel the band-aid off your finger. Just to make sure it doesn't get into the pizza.
Why is that there?
There we go.
That's what I thought too, bro. This foot.
So, just finishing. Charlie said not to make a mess while I film this video. Luckily, so far there's no mess.
Yeah, no mess. That's definitely not my house.
You know what they say about the crystals? If you just lick it, you will be rich.
Oh my god.
Try that.
What are you doing? What is that? You have to play even.
Let him take his time, B. Take your time, man.
Finish it, guys. Like, take big bites.
Why? We're going to the kids in Africa. What did he do? 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 Listen to this. I'm gonna yak. Why is there so much
Crunch alert. Yo, what do you hate more, mustard or cricket?
Don't ever
Say you subscribe last week.
You been 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god! Where's the gummy one, you snake?
This guy want to be Knife Wolfie so bad. You come on my channel. You think you're Knife Wolfie, eh? No. Someone eat this stinger. I can't. Yeah, you can. Oh, I heard the crunch. Oh my god. What? It's not even cooked, bro. Oh my god.
Yo, you have to finish your candy. Oh my god. You're a mud mod.
I love you guys so much. Smash the like button, please.